Namaste, welcome to my channel Maths on Board by Vedavati. Today I am going to teach 2.2 7th problem. Using theorem 2.1 means basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. First draw a triangle A, B, C. P is the midpoint of AB. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. I consider one side as AB and P is the midpoint. Parallel to another side. This is first side. This is second side. If you take, this is third side. See, which is parallel to another side. Bisects the third side. Then bisecting means what? Dividing into two equal parts. Then first solution. Let us take triangle ABC. P is midpoint of one side AB. A line AB, a line PQ drawn through the midpoint P. A line PQ drawn through the midpoint P to parallel to another side. Which is the another side? Parallel to same problem in sentence only I am taking because you will understand nicely. A line PQ drawn. A line PQ, how you are drawing? Through the midpoint of a side AB parallel to another side BC. Then PQ, midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side. See here. Let us take, this is the 2 points I have taken from the problem itself. First I considered one triangle and P is the midpoint of one side. Then P is the midpoint of a side AB means AP is equal to PB. By using midpoint you have to get this condition. Now, a line PQ drawn through the midpoint P which is parallel to another side BC. Then PQ is parallel to BC. Then 2.1 theorem you want to use or not? According to BPT, if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides into equal ratio. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. You know AP is equal to PB. Then AP by PP. In place of PB, I will substitute AP. AQ by QC. AP ones are. Then 1 by 1 is equal to AQ by QC. Then AQ into 1, AQ is equal to QC. When AQ is equal to QC, then Q is a midpoint of AC. AC means that is the third side. I have written also there first side, second side and third side. A point P is a midpoint on one side. Through that point, if you draw a parallel line to one side, that divides the third side into or bisects the third side. Okay, this is very easy and important. By seeing the theoretical problem, you should not get any confused. And you should not afraid also. All students, actually, geometry means like you will get fear. It's very easy. See, no calculation, nothing. Just if you think little how to apply the theorems and how to identify the point what they have given, how to do. It is very, very easy to solve geometry problems, whatever it is. Now, 8th problem. Using 2.2 theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two triangles, any two sides of a triangle, is parallel to the third side. This is also very easy and simple problem. By seeing the theorem like a statement, you no need to get fear. Nothing is there. Prove that a line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. Then you need one triangle. A, B, C. It's very easy. See? Then a line joining of the midpoints of any two sides. You consider AB side and the AC side. Midpoint, one is P, one is Q. A line joining midpoints of two sides is parallel to third side. You want to prove it is a PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. See here, PQ is parallel to BC means you should come to know AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. But they didn't give no. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC, like that they didn't give. You only should prove. And by using that you should prove PQ is parallel to BC. Understand? And here you want to use theorem 2.2 because basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem you should use here. They are only given. Use the 2.2. 2.2 means converse of BPD. Okay. Solution. Okay. P and Q are midpoints of two sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. See, as it is sentence I have taken. That is convenient for you. P and Q are the midpoints of two sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC. And join midpoints we will get PQ. Okay. Then if P and Q, P is a midpoint, AP is equal to PB. Then AP by PB is equal to AP by PB place you can substitute AP. AP ones are AP. Then here what you will get? AP by PB is equal to 1 by 1. Then next Q is midpoint of AC. Q is midpoint of AC. Then AQ is equal to QC. Then AQ by QC if you take AQ by AQ. AQ ones are AQ. AQ by QC is equal to 1 by 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, see here RHS will become equal means LHS will become equal. From 1 and 2, AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. See here, PQ, if you draw a line PQ to the AB and AC of midpoints, while joining the midpoints of AB and AC, will get a line PQ. that divides AB and AC in the same ratio. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Then according to converse of BPT, PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. That only we have to prove. Okay. These two problems are very simple and important. Please practice well. Tomorrow 2 more problems are there. I will teach the 2 more problems. After this completion of 2.2, I'll give little bit gap for this geometry, because continuously if I give that episodes only you feel bored. That's why next I will teach any other easy chapter which is useful for you for passing package. Okay. Thank you children.